So I just purchased my UNice wig, my very first purchase. Let's unpack it. But I love the bag. I just love this bag. First, before I open up the hair, which is an 18-inch, I want to go ahead and tell you guys what came in the package. Too cute nails. Too cute. Normally you get eyelashes. The band. Awesome. Guys, check it out. When you put the wig on, instead of using spray or any got-to-be glue, they put glue that you can actually tack on to the wig. So convenient. Last but not least, the stocking cap. All right, let's check out the wig. So, no smell, no shedding, and look, nothing. I mean, it feels so good. So I am super, this is a game changer for me. Okay, bye bye love me hair. Hello UNice. I love this hair. It's a game changer for me. I'll show you in the next video how I curled it up, and if I need to do anything else with it, I'll let you guys know. All right, till then, there it is. That's it, I'm done. I'm done, baby. Babe, turn the doggone thing off. Look at this. This is perfect.